Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on 120 Hz refresh rate on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the Display option. Tap on it to open the display settings, where you can manage various screen-related settings, including brightness, color settings, and refresh rate. Step 3. Next, scroll down to locate the display refresh rate options. Tap on it. Step 4. Under the display refresh rate section, you will find two options. Standard refresh rate. This mode sets the refresh rate to a lower level, such as 60 Hz, which helps conserve battery life. High refresh rate, 120 Hz. This option maximizes the refresh rate, providing smoother transitions, enhanced scrolling, and improved animations. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the high option to turn it on instantly. Once enabled, your device will immediately switch to a higher refresh rate, making interactions much smoother and more responsive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.